Barcelona Barcelona Cooking. Start your Barcelona cooking lesson with a trip to the city's bustling Boqueria market. After you've taken in the chromatic display of local produce and spices, head back to the school to prepare delicious tapas. While you work, sip wine from Spain's renowned Rioja region. Find out more about the best hotels in Barcelona, the best things to do in Barcelona. Read more. Tasty cooking vacations. New Orleans School of Cooking. Learn to whip up gumbo, jambalaya, pralines and other Louisiana favorites with the New Orleans School of Cooking. Housed in a 19th-century molasses warehouse in the heart of the French Quarter, the New Orleans School of Cooking offers an authentic atmosphere along with traditional Cajun, Creole recipes. Find out more about the best hotels in New Orleans, the best things to do in New Orleans. Read more. Tasty cooking vacations. Paris La Cuisine Paris. Crafting flaky French croissants requires patience, time and, of course, expertise. While La Cuisine Paris can't necessarily teach you patience, they can pass along the essential skills. The school's 3-hour French croissant class teaches pupils how to make pains au chocolat, chocolate croissants, and croissants aux amandes, croissants with almond cream. Find out more about the best hotels in Paris, the best things to do in Paris. Read more. Tasty cooking vacations. Bangkok Bai Pai Thai Cooking School. Break away from the din of downtown Bangkok and head to the Chatuchak district for a class at the Bai Pai Thai Cooking School. Here you'll learn how to make traditional Thai dishes, like hot and sour prawn soup and green curry chicken, and you'll pick up tips and tricks for recreating the dishes at home with ingredients from your local grocery store. Find out more about the best hotels in Bangkok, the best things to do in Bangkok. Read more. Tasty cooking vacations. London. L'Atelier des Chefs bring back some of London's favorite food traditions, like British curry and gastropub noshes, with L'Atelier des Chefs. With locations in Oxford Circus and St. Paul's, L'Atelier des Chefs teaches aspiring chefs a wide range of kitchen expertise, including knife skills and food and wine pairings. Find out more about the best hotels in London, the best things to do in London. Read more. Tasty cooking vacations. Bluffton. S.C. The Inn at Palmetto Bluff. The Inn at Palmetto Bluff provides year-round cooking experiences for guests, but you should make your pilgrimage to this South Carolina retreat in November when the annual Music to Your Mouth Festival draws the best chefs, musicians and winemakers Lowcountry has to offer. Read more. Tasty cooking vacations. New York City Institute of Culinary Education. Brush up on your knife skills, learn the flavorful art of Middle Eastern street food, or embark on a guided 3-day foodie tour through New York City with the Institute of Culinary Education. Find out more about the best hotels in New York City, the best things to do in New York City. Read more. Tasty cooking vacations. Rome cooking classes. In Rome, while plenty of cooking schools teach the art of making fresh pasta, there's really nothing quite like learning from an Italian chef in the heart of Rome. Cooking Classes in Rome offers 5-hour classes taught by local chef and restaurateur Andrea Consoli. Learn how to make a traditional 4-course meal composed of antipasto, homemade pasta or gnocchi, meatballs and a dessert of ricotta pies or tiramisu. Find out more about the best hotels in Rome, the best things to do in Rome. Read more. Tasty cooking vacations. Sydney Seafood School. Located within the sprawling Sydney Fish Market, in the city's Pyrmont suburb, the Sydney Seafood School offers seafood barbecue, sushi and sashimi workshops. After class, retreat to the school's dining room to indulge in the fruits of your labor while admiring the view of Blackwattle Bay. Find out more about the best hotels in Sydney, the best things to do in Sydney. Read more. Tasty cooking vacations. St. Helena, California. Culinary Institute of America at Greystone nearby Napa Valley's exquisite grapes are best savored when paired with a delectable meal. The Culinary Institute of America's St. Helena campus offers a range of classes and boot camps that cover everything from cooking with wine to techniques for crafting comfort foods. Find out more about the best hotels in Napa Valley, the best things to do in Napa Valley. Read more, Tasty Cooking Vacations.